Hag examen secondary school leaving certificate nega matric u Anuj Chetri jong Sherwood School turau lo yo ba de kekedan ke Beningkong de ke bayo sans pa nyo pesan marks but your distinction haki hindru klik subject kat ba ka Alitias Emle jong St Margaret's High Secondary School Chilong kelawan baar but your sans pa nyo pesau marks but distinction haki hindru klik subject Badu congenial kars ano jangka Christian Academy Shillong ulawan balai badu asan swa nyu marks but distinction habro 100 telik subject. Haganik examen matrik mentaka kenti keladan san pusau hajar shispa lai pusau ngut kisamla kebele konik examen. Mereka bapas kidan lai pu hajar ars pa nyungut kumta kejeng pas ki kena kalong san pusan point pranot nak shispa. Ka district West Genta Hills ketika district babonnya ki kena ki bapas kebelakon Nyupupra point lai sau nak shispa kat baka North Garo Hills ketika district kebagi kena kelapas Dunabha kabakot tang arpulai point pra nak shispa.
I feel very good. I'm grateful for what I got, and I want to especially thank my parents, my teachers who were very supportive and such knowledgeable teachers. They teach us well. They taught us how to prepare well for the exam, and they were our backbone. They motivated us surely, and that's the reason I'm standing here as the first in the whole of Meghalaya. Till half of January, they finished the whole syllabus. After January, it was only revision. So for pre-boards, I studied for 10 to 11 hours a day. And the later month, 1 month before the exam, it was stretching to 15 or 16 hours a day, especially before the main exam.
So did you have tuitions, extra tuitions again?
No, just for the teachers. For science and maths, it was Sir Patro. Alti Hindi, it was Ma'am Suman. And English, it was Ma'am Deepa.
What is your plan now?
So my plan is to focus on the IT sector. I'm going to take science. I'm going to Guwahati.
Geometric.
Tengok kon ayu iki no hikai ke school tu principal vice principal baru ki bayala yaram mo principal tu ini ka namtani ke exam tengok ko aben ayu namtaki kami padu ki bahaya masam ki parlok perjar baru ki boleh support lang kini kata tengah super sang ini tu basang senam sedang terakan itu basang senam hi pisang himo benar sekali.
Jika ikaw ba pitmo banda nang nisakmat manta?
Nang nisakmat mo bersang ban le ke GEE exams. Tengah mo dipilih data science.
Hatop hakat kung ka compact ko jong pide hakan ni ka dunya jong ni ka por mentang i babon ki lamet ba kini ki social media ngila mong mong ki klat ya kata ka jing pule ko jong ki bakin plate por ba tak pi hakabay de bakan ka jing kre exam hakanu ko dor pi ya kon ni ki jing
Ni kong pwede ba ng slur na nadi, no? Pwede ba ng scam na nadi, bafin namang distracted, bafin kriyakat, right? Hindi, tamba fin kriyakat, social media, dan kam hi, tamba pwede ba ng iPor ban kriyakat.
Kung baka do kanta kasi ngipi penkret ng plan ke exam matric.
Kasyong kung hindi ko jumang kasi, kung ba hinyong kanta ikis ni, tamba ting-ting ka dan kakamto na, ting-ting ka.
Jika ikaw ba pikwa ba pinong sa ino pila he?
Nagkuha lang data scientist.
Kebetulan kong I knew very well untuk kerja film simple kan itu namanya tu position kemen tip menang sistem I knew very well untuk kerja Haka tipu kler cuma tu, film sim lah mudur kalau ni orang orang yang ngasih kler baik, bang ala bujing mud bang ngande kat ke bang ala, yang film sim mudur ni orang yang ni orang ngasih sania boleh tekat ala kan ke bang ala, yang ala huni kat ke bang ayo tu, dengan ayo itu.
Hak examen Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Arts Stream neka class 12 umenang mankrau karkongor neka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong But u Gaurav Bharali jong St Edmunds High Secondary School Chelong kelayo amar sauspa andrupu pramats but kelayo abat ka kerdan ke beningkong mentagasnem but kini kelayo aru ka distinction haki hindrutilik subject ka Tanisha Das jong Don Bosco College Tura Kelawan Baar but kelayo sauspa san pui marks but distinction haki hindrutilik subject but u Salseng Marak na ka Don Bosco College Tura Ulawan Balai but yo sauspa san pui marks but distinction haki hindrutilik subject Mentagasnem keladon arpunyo wajar lai sepanyo pesawat kebeli konik eksamen HSSLC Arts. Bat kibala pas kedon arpu hajar pras palai pulai ngut, bat kejing pas kisamla mentaga kenti kelong nyuk pendai point nyuk hundriu nak cispa. Ke District East dan West Khasi Hills kedai kebadan bon eksam lai kebala pas ke eksamen kebelong kendai puar point lai ar nak cispa. Kadba ke West Garo Hills kedai ke District kebaduna tam kisamla kebala pas kedai ke eksamen kebelong nrepusan point nreu not nak cispa.
Pi kau kumno ba pi obat ya ka kerdan ke beningkong ha ka exam.
Ka beningkong tengah dan ban ai ngoi uplay marba ka digijing isne ke jungu ke bang laban yo ah do kan ka kerdan ke pemerintah tengah ai uplay i me ipa dan shisha ke jing kershan yang ha kijing am sim kam tamir ki nong hikai baro nado ki nong hikai lower primary secondary at high secondary ru namar bang lapas na kini hi kajo hi ka school nado kelas nursery tengah ku beli ki namar ba kila long shisha ga kila ngabon ong ba kila irap ba kila pen wandor agar ka jinong dor ke ba shisha mo hado pangalaban yo ikan ka kedan ke pemerintah ke tahi bang ai ku beli ru ki perlong ba mana kapor ki baju irap lang yang
Pila man patai kinjat sepang kani ka kompen krek ke jong pi kani ke exam.
Karu kompen krek ka long ba kalarangi pe ya ka pinta te ka ju kalamo nak wi ka singi na lembu ka proper schedule namar ba man ka singi ki jingja ki bapher ki la banja te hindrai man ka singi kumba la ben ong ar la ni like entah bu nama nang rekod.
Habis dia kena ka juk kebayat mentang iba kibon ki labet pa kini ka social media ke internet ni. Te hakalo ko dor pi krek le ke exam ba pen like nak jingok hakane.
Hagi jing si sate haduk mentang apa yo ka phone mo te ti ege ijinan kam ki ba ayo an school but juru naki perlok barohi menuju abi ka phone ke jing email. Te baju tu pan email sepenuhnya ngah saya ke jing
Kai ka ba pi tua ba pen long hak jing em.
Ya kata minta hi ngampat la ben ong namar ba ke jing kwa tengah don tang ba kapor hi kan saya tu ada publik mo cuma saya.
Hato bidon no jing tu bani kuni ni ki civil service exams.
Ya kata Ramadan ke jing kwa ba
I scored 468, 93%, first position. It was always hard. Obviously, it was very hard. It was a hard journey, but I took everything seriously, right from oral tests or whatever. Like even if 5 marks test, I studied for it. I never kept my work to the side. It was always my first priority. So that's how I did it.
And now, what's next? What are you planning?
I'm planning to do law, BLB. So let's see where it goes if I can.